This training will overview the Halo 4 smart sensor and demonstrate its basic surface mount installation. This video will focus specifically on the surface mount option. For details on other mounting options, such as the back box, please refer to the Halo 4 installation guide. Proper device placement is critical for optimal performance. Consult the product documentation for guidance on selecting an installation location. Before beginning the hardware installation, it is essential to review the prerequisites. Consult the Halo 4 installation guide for critical safety information, warnings, and precautions. First, verify the contents of the Halo 4 package. The package should contain the Avigilon Halo 4 sensor, a mounting plate, a mounting template sticker, and 4 screws with accompanying anchors for solid walls. To complete the installation, you will require specific tools and accessories not included in the package. These include a drill for screw holes, sheetrock anchors with screws, an appropriate screwdriver, a hole saw or drill with a spade bit for creating the cable hole, and a paperclip or similar tool. Note that the Halo 4 unit requires a wired network connection, specifically Ethernet, which must provide standard 802.3 AF, power over Ethernet. This connection should not exceed 100 meters. The Halo 4 sensor comes with an RJ45 configuration cable, pre-installed for optional off-site setup. This allows for configuration before physical installation. Locate the flap labeled config on the side of the packaging. Connect a network cable providing PoE to the RJ45 plug on the configuration cable. The maximum recommended duration for inbox configuration is 1 hour at an ambient temperature of no more than 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Once configuration is complete, disconnect the network cable. The inbox configuration cable must be removed prior to installation. Locate the configuration cable tab and push down on it. Pull the cable out of the port to remove it. Note that the Halo sensor and the mounting plate are separate in the package. The next segment demonstrates how to install the mounting plate. First, use the mounting template to accurately mark and drill the necessary mounting holes and 1 cable entry hole into your chosen installation surface. Next, pull the cables required for sensor operation through the newly created cable entry hole in the mounting surface. Then, insert the wall anchors into the drilled mounting holes. Finally, use 4 screws to secure the mounting plate firmly to the mounting surface. Before attaching the Halo sensor to the mounting plate, establish all necessary connections. First, optionally enable the onboard microphone. Locate the microphone switch on the back of the sensor. Using a paperclip or similar tool, slide the switch from the default off position to on. It is recommended to enable the microphone before connecting the Ethernet cable. If your installation includes external input or output devices, such as door contacts or relays, connect them to the I/O connector block. For a detailed pinout and more information on connecting external devices, refer to the Halo 4 installation guide. Next, connect the network cable, an RJ45 connector, to the Ethernet port labeled IN. Ensure your network provides power over Ethernet, either Class 3 or Class 4. Note that 802.3 AT, Class 4 PoE+, is required if powering a downstream device. Once the network connection is established, the LED ring on the sensor's face will turn blue and spin for a single rotation. This indicates a successful power and network condition. The final step in the hardware installation is to attach the Halo sensor to the mounting plate. First, align the slots on the Halo sensor to the mounting points on the mounting plate. Next, press the sensor onto the mounting plate. Finally, hold the sensor in place and rotate it counterclockwise until the locking mechanism audibly clicks into place, securing the sensor. If the Halo sensor experiences unexpected behavior, you can reset it to its factory default settings. The firmware reset button is located on the back of the device. To access it, the device must be dismounted. Ensure the device is powered on. Using a straightened paperclip or similar tool, gently press and hold the firmware reset button for 3 seconds, then release. Avoid applying excessive force to prevent damage. For more detailed information on resetting the sensor, refer to the Halo 4 installation guide or supplementary videos. This completes the basic surface mount installation of the Halo 4 smart sensor. For additional product documentation, software, firmware upgrades, or technical support, please visit support.motorolasolutions.com.